Welcome everybody. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Nic and I am the leader of the Beautiful Alchemy course. This course is a course that I've been teaching since 2015, and it's a course that I've been on myself since I began my yoga practice formally in 2009. My own story rolls back to New York City, 2009, where I was looking for a yoga studio to train in to become certified as a teacher. Little did I know it, but the school that I signed up for happened to be called the Integrated Science of Tantra, Hatha and Ayurveda, which meant that I got a little bit more than I bargained for, because I just thought I was going to be learning the yoga postures. And at that point in my yoga path, that was really all I knew about and kind of cared about. And whilst the yoga postures are a wonderful tool to gain insight into oneself and really stay healthy and vital in the body, they do not cover the whole of the practice. And the school that I trained in, Ishta Yoga, really wanted to bring in the sister science of Ayurveda, knowledge of life. Now, Ayurveda is a thriving medical practice in India. And in fact, you could say that it's older than allopathic medicine. It goes beyond our modern Western medicine. And not only is it older, it's much more holistic. It sees the mind, body, and spirit as a whole. So it's not there to be treating problems as they arrive, but there as a preventative measure to problems down the line. But I'm digressing. So Ayurveda is really about honoring the energy that you get, right? Making sure that you are utilizing it well. It's a gift to be in human form, and we get this energy every day. And Yoga and Ayurveda don't want us to waste it. They don't want us to be unconscious of it. So whereas yoga practices just deal with the kind of body and meditation deals with the mind, Ayurveda deals with the big picture. How we turn up off the mat, how we eat, how we sleep, how we adapt to seasonal change, how we shift as we age, how to look after ourselves as we go through life, which necessarily requires change. If we can get knowledgeable about the changes that are happening and the rhythms of the day, which there are, then we can kind of surf life. So we can tap into big energy. And when I say big energy, I mean like huge, cosmic, massive energy. The massive energy of day to night and night to day. The massive energy that exists within plants, that exists within nature, that exists within our bodies.